Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Trillionaire Mac. Welcome back to another video. So, in this video, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit that bell notification icon to be updated whenever I upload a new video, and press that thumbs up button if you enjoy the content within this video. Alright, so what are we going to be discussing today? Today we're going to be discussing Forex trading for beginners, right? So if you're new to trading the foreign exchange market, or you're new to trading in general, this video is going to be for you. It doesn't matter if you trade crypto, commodities, stocks, currency, that really doesn't matter. But if you're someone who trades and you're new to the trading niche, this video is going to be for you. Without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so before we get started, I just want to shout out to an individual who did take advantage of this US30 setup here that you guys can see on my chart. I'm not going to go down to entry and everything like that, but I will show you guys this little bit here. This was our entry for US30. I actually did not even take this trade. I had the analysis marked up on my personal trading view and everything, and I actually did not take the trade. So here's a quick little markup of what you would have been able to take advantage of. All right, studying the Telegram channel. Matter of fact, we can go ahead and pull it up here, and you guys can see, right, we were looking for sells here. I told everyone wait for this area to break, and then we would wait for price to return back to an unmitigated order block. All right, so this was a very neat trade here, and it also follows our generic entry model that I teach all Telegram individuals. So here was the higher time frame, and that's the lower time frame. All right, so US30 played out very well. Like I said, you can use the information within the course to trade any asset class. All right, so feel free to click the first link in the description. Go check out the course if you're someone who wants to get a handle on US30, be able to trade, top to bottom, bottom to top. All right, so now let's get into the topic of today's video. All right, and the topic is Forex trading for beginners. What do I mean by this? Well, I'm just going to offer some advice to individuals who are either new to trading or you're looking for, a place to actually start. So I've been trading my name's Mac, by the way, for anyone that's new. Next month, I would have been trading for 3 years now. All right, so I have 3 years worth of experience. And when I first started, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I made all the wrong decisions, even as it relates to blowing accounts, taking all the money within my savings, putting into my trading account, thinking I'm going to flip it overnight. Even when I first started trading, I was taking care of my college expenses instead of, getting a job to take care of my college expenses. I tried to trade to take care of my college expenses. That was the wrong way to go about it. Even as it relates to choosing a mentor, choosing an educational platform, right? Like I did have a family member who does trade gold. But the style that they were trading on gold at the time, I didn't want to trade that way. I wanted to trade all the flashy signals that they were showing on Instagram and, retracements and things like that. But we'll get right into all of that. All right. So first, you guys have to understand basic knowledge. You have to come into trading with a basic understanding, okay, or basic knowledge of what? For one, you guys should have a basic knowledge of risk management, okay? Now, all right, so let's slow down with typing, but okay, I just don't want this video to be too long. I know I can talk a lot, so we're gonna try to get this sped up for you guys. So first, you need to understand risk management, all right? Now, my tip for you guys is no matter what you're doing, no matter where you are within your trading journey, if you're under a year, okay, so if you are 1 year or less, okay, I want you to trade using 0.5% risk of your account. Okay, so per trade that you take, no matter if you're using a retail trading strategy, price action trading strategy, no matter if you're trading fundamentals, no matter if you're trading technicals, doesn't matter. If you've been trading for less than a year, I want you to risk less than 0.5% per trade, okay? If you have been trading for 1 year or more, then you guys can feel free to risk 1% of your account per trade. Right now, I'll give you guys kind of my my thoughts on this. I'm someone who, when I first started trading, guys, I was risking easily 25% of my account on a trade, not understanding risk management. X amount of dollars in my trading account, and I just wanted to get it going. Ended up making me lose 5 figures before I ended up like taking a step back and saying, okay, what am I actually doing wrong? Because what I'm doing is not working. So what do I need to do right? But you don't necessarily have to lose that amount of money before you ask yourself, what do I need to do properly, right? If you risk 0.5% of your account per trade, you have to lose 200 trades in a row in order to blow your account, right? That is what I'm talking about, right? Because if you study 200 losses, you're going to figure out what you're doing wrong. And then if you are using proper risk management, right, your wins should, at least help out with your losses. Therefore, it'll probably increase, instead of 200 losses in order to blow your account, it may increase to 350, 400 losses before you actually blow your account. But I want you guys to get in the habit of only risking 0.5% if you're new. And if you have been trading for a year, I would honestly still consider that pretty new, even if you've been trading for a year. Keep risk management in mind. Okay, so next, proper psychology. So what is proper psychology? Proper psychology is saying, I don't care about the outcome of each individual trade, but instead, I care about the outcome of a series of trades. Okay, so we're going to talk about the word care, right? Because usually, especially when it comes to trading, you're not really supposed to care, right? You don't really want to care when it comes to trading. But when you first start, I need you guys to care about the outcome of your series of trades. Why is this? Once you're more experienced, right, you learn how to detach your emotions from your trading. But you learn how to detach your emotions from your trading once you actually understand what's going on in the market, and you actually understand that at the end of every single series, I'm going to end up on top, right? If you're someone who does not understand that quite yet, if you're someone that is not at least successful on a series of trades, you need to care about your outcome. And the reason why is because your outcome after a series of trades is going to tell you whether or not you need to change something within your trading plan, within your trading style, within your psychology, within your risk management, right? Something needs to change. And if you're at the point where you have fully detached your emotions from your trading account, you may get to the point, and I have met someone I have met an individual similar to what I'm about to say, but you may get to the point where you just stop caring about losing money altogether, and you just continue throwing money into your trading account, taking pointless trades just to say, I'm a trader, I've detached my emotions, I'm good, I just need to take trades, I just need to take trades, right? That's not what you want. What you want is month after month, you want consistent and profitable results, right? So in September, 39%, right? You guys know that. Where are we at? In August, if we scroll up to August, you guys will see August trading record as well, right? 27%. Once you start to build consistency, then you can say, you know what? I don't care about the outcome of my series of trades, because I know at the end of every single series, I'm going to end up on top, right? Because I'm at the point where, and even when it comes to the Telegram channel, all right, and this is just a side note, when it comes to the Telegram channel, guys, because I did have someone DM me this morning, the Telegram channel is for me to assist you all with becoming better traders. It is not so you all can type in numbers in your MetaTrader 4. This is not a multi-level marketing program. This is not a signal service. This is me giving you all my chart recommendations and showing you all what you should look for at specific areas within the market. And what that's going to do is it's not only going to train your eye to see the market how I do, but it's going to train your eye to see the market for what it is, right? But you have to understand that the Telegram channel itself is to assist you all with trading. And I just wanted to put that side note in there, right? So you want to care about the outcome of your series of trades, not each individual trade itself. Okay, so this is the basic knowledge you should come into trading with. All right, you should already understand psychology to this point, right? I don't care about each individual trade, wins and losses. What I care about is my series of trades. So let me take a trading strategy. Let me apply it for 3 months to be my series. And then after 3 months, let me go back and let me see how profitable was I over the past 3 months, not caring about each individual trade. It takes a lot of discipline to do this, but it will help for sure, okay? You also need to come into the market with discipline. It's going to be very, very important that you have discipline naturally, okay? And if you don't have discipline naturally, you need to build discipline. What is discipline? Discipline is following your trading plan no matter what your emotions, no matter what your mind, no matter what your brain is telling you to do, right? Discipline is, okay, I have 3 things that I'm looking for, and I won't move an inch within the market until I see these 3 things. Once I see these 3 things, then I will take advantage of the market, right? That's having discipline, okay? So that's another psychological factor that you guys need to have. Patience is another one, okay? You're not going to become a successful trader in 6 months. I'm just going to tell you right now. And you probably won't become a successful trader in 12 months. You probably won't become a successful trader in 1.5 years, right? Probably, right? Because just like the market, everything is statistics. If you look at the statistics of trading, 95% plus, it's probably more, right? But at least 95% of people fail when it comes to trading. And I think it might be a little higher than 95 actually. But with more information, with more knowledge and things like that as time goes on, hopefully that number decreases. But right now, I want to say it's 95% plus individuals fail, okay? One reason why they fail is because they don't have discipline, they don't have patience, and they don't have proper risk management. They just don't understand the basics, right? Next, do not fall for these things here. Do not fall for the automatic trading profits EA. Don't fall for the get rich trading system. Okay, don't fall for the ultimate trading strategy. Don't fall for the 100% success rate system. Don't fall for these things. Trading takes time. It takes consistency. It takes discipline. It takes drive. It takes passion. Like, there is no get rich quick. Okay, and definitely do not fall for the multi-level marketing, FOREX, whatever. I mean, you guys already know when it comes to multi-level marketing companies, right? Don't fall for, and also don't fall for signals. Do not fall for signals. That is why you guys do not see me advertise signals. I don't advertise signals. I advertise access to my trades. I advertise access to my trade setups. I advertise access to my trade recommendations, okay? Because I don't send signals. What I send you guys is a basic trading plan, and we work that trading plan day in and day out, right? It's basically like me holding you by the hand, because I give you exactly the levels to look for, and I tell you exactly what to look for inside of those levels for you to learn exactly what's taking place within the market, okay? I also fell for signals, all right? When I first started trading and I was blowing money, I said, okay, well, let me, while I'm learning, at least let me continue to grow my trading account, right? And this was when I was a sophomore in college, so it was a couple of years ago, right? But you learn that these things are not it. You learn that these things aren't true, all right? Know that the journey will be challenging, okay? Because every new level of trading, every new level of success with trading, every new level of profit, every new level of trading account balance, every new level of withdrawal, every new level of investment as it relates to trading requires a new version of yourself. So if you have not taken the time to improve your risk management, improve your psychology, right, and improve your understanding of the market, you're not going to be prepared for the next level, which means you're going to take 2 steps back, right? And it'll be like you're taking 1 step forward, 2 steps back, 1 step forward, 2 steps back. Instead, we want to take 2 steps forward, 3 steps forward, maybe 1 or 2 steps back, another 3 steps forward, 1 step back, right? We want to create within our trading, understanding, psychology, skill set within ourselves. We want to create higher highs and higher lows. Because of course we understand that everything is just not going to shoot straight up. All right, so we're going to pause it right there. All right, I don't want this video to be too long. It ended up being 40 minutes. So I'm gonna do a part 1 and a part 2. This is going to be part 1, and part 2 will be uploaded shortly after part 1 has been uploaded. So if you're watching this video, feel free to go to my YouTube channel, see if part 2 is uploaded, and if it is, feel free to continue to enjoy. All right, I'll catch you guys. Peace out.